Hey guys, are you want to buy best drone? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best drone that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Plegble 4K drone. The Plegble PL-515 drone is a powerhouse for both beginners and enthusiasts, combining 4K UHD camera quality with advanced image stabilization for crisp, shake-free photos and videos. Its adjustable 90° lens and smooth FPV transmission deliver an immersive flying experience, while the brushless motors ensure stability, efficiency, and impressive wind resistance. With the dual battery upgrade, flight time extends up to 32 minutes, and USB-C/PD charging makes recharging faster and safer. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to carry outdoors in its dedicated storage box. Safety features like the smart child lock and propeller guards prevent accidental takeoffs and injuries, making it ideal for kids. Weighing under 250 grams, it requires no FAA or remote ID registration in the US, so flying is hassle-free. Comprehensive tutorials and responsive customer support ensure users can fully enjoy the drone's features. Overall, the PL-515 is a reliable, feature-packed drone for stunning aerial photography and fun flying adventures. Now our second product is Bwine 4K drone. The Bwine F7 drone is a feature-packed, FAA-certified aerial powerhouse, perfect for both beginners and pros. Its one-click detachable 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal and 120° FOV lens delivers stable, ultra-clear footage, while 5x digital zoom lets you capture every detail with precision even at night. Equipped with three 2600 mAh intelligent batteries, it provides a total of 75 minutes of flight time, with fast charging in just 1.5 hours. The brushless motor, 6-level wind resistance, and GPS system ensure smooth, high-altitude flights up to 2000 m and a control range of 3000 m, with automatic return if the signal is lost or battery runs low. Advanced app features allow FPV sharing, photo/video retouching, and social media uploads with ease. The package includes the drone, batteries, propellers, carrying case, and more, backed by a 2-year warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee. A reliable, high-performance drone for stunning aerial photography and seamless flying experiences. Our third product is Punieayi 4K drone. The ZY90 PRO drone is an impressive FPV drone designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. Its smart GPS system ensures precise positioning with features like one-key return, low-power auto-return, GPS lock, and compass calibration, making flight safe and reliable. The 4K camera with 90° adjustable lens captures stunning 3840 by 2160 photos in 2K 30 frames per second video, while level 4 wind resistance and brushless motors keep footage smooth in challenging conditions. The 5.7-inch LCD display remote provides a live FPV feed up to 6,500 feet, eliminating the need for a smartphone. Powered by two 3800 mAh batteries, it delivers up to 100 minutes of flight time with convenient USB-C fast charging. Built-in composition guides and beginner-friendly features like one-key takeoff/landing and speed modes make capturing professional shots easy. With tutorial videos and comprehensive support, the ZY90 PRO is perfect for anyone seeking a safe, long-lasting, and immersive drone flying experience. Now number 4, Shapefun 4K drone. The Bingchat AE Pro 2025 upgraded drone is a professional-grade powerhouse, perfect for serious aerial photography and fun flying. Equipped with a real 4K HD camera, 3-axis gimbal, EIS anti-shake, 130° FOV lens, and 50x digital zoom, it captures stunning day and night footage with precision. Its innovative features, including payload release and 360° laser obstacle avoidance, make flying safer and more engaging. The drone offers up to 84 minutes of flight time with two 11.1V batteries, and a 5-mile long-range transmission with altitude support up to 2,624 feet ensures impressive coverage. The upgraded tablet touchscreen controller runs Android with Google support, letting you access apps, social media, and more directly from the controller. Additional features include night vision, time-lapse, waypoint flight, follow me, gesture control, and LED detection lights. FAA certified and backed by 1-year free replacement and 3 years flight support, the Bingchat AE Pro offers reliability, advanced functionality, and an immersive flying experience for adults and enthusiasts alike. And our last choice is Bingchat 4K drone. The Bingchat AE Pro 2025 drone is a top-tier professional drone designed for adults and enthusiasts seeking advanced features and reliability. Its real 4K HD camera with 3-axis gimbal, EIS anti-shake, 130 degrees FOV lens, and 50x digital zoom captures stunning photos and videos day or night. Innovative functions like payload release and 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance make flying safer and more engaging. The upgraded touchscreen tablet controller runs Android with Google support, allowing app downloads, social media use, and entertainment, functioning like a full-featured tablet. With two 11.1V batteries, it delivers up to 84 minutes of flight time, a 5-mile control range, and flight heights up to 2,624 feet. Additional features include night vision, time-lapse, follow me, gesture control, waypoint flight, and LED detection lights. FAA certified and backed by 1-year free replacement plus 3 years flight support, the Bingchat AE Pro combines cutting-edge technology, long-range performance, and user-friendly operation for an exceptional flying experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.